되버디 토마직다 선팡 템마다 쇼래 소리 제제 딘데지기니 지금 참여 내급달라 겨워쳐요 그래 지난 지원을 못 해샤.
So generally speaking, this mental laxity that we are talking about here is said to be a neutral state of mind, neutral in the sense of virtue and non-virtue. Although the initial stages of mental laxity can be virtuous. For example, if the meditator is focusing pointedly on, say, impermanent nature of life, then at a point when the meditator begins to lose the alertness of that focused mind, then the person is lapsing into what we call here mental laxity. So the initial stages of that still is a kind of a virtuous mind, but generally mental laxity is said to be neutral.
전에 다 초아 지금 시장 거 초대 버려 보지 저희다 그거도 상다 봐다 전에 다지 가는 데바로 치수지도 거바 인도잖아요 다 거바 다 초알이 배지리 가다 선팡 토잖아 아니 선비양야디 숙체야지 저들이 비드서 선팡 마르당고요 선낭도 뜨고요 아다 저 선팡 마르당야 탑실이야 아니 지 메다바로 지 나가는 신기 동해외랑 신도 지 딘데 상담비나 야 선도 스마지 대기베 선배지 가예로 배 숙체잖아 디 선배 초고 숙청 용대하고 또 선낭도 뜨위나
And mental scattering and distraction or mental excitement arises when there is too much excitement or your state of mind is too uplifted, then mental distraction and scattering arises. Therefore, the antidote for that is to find a way of bringing down that excited state to a bit more kind of sober kind of a state. Now, one of the ways in which this can be done is to then reflect upon certain thoughts and ideas that has a kind of a sobering effect. For example, like reflecting upon the transient nature of life, and also the fundamentally dissatisfying sort of aspects of our human existence and so on. And these can have an immediately sobering effect. So that will help you then overcome too much excitement in your meditation.
다 들려야 가다보게 탑시 디디 답게 들어와 탑시 등에 뒤 중내지고 알아봐 두개인데 다 정신이 들으셔 거기서 법에 미국이 맞이버시네 템배송.
So we see that in order to deal with these, address these problems of the four obstacles, and particularly the two principal ones, the mental excitement and mental laxity, what is required is a skillful application of two principal faculties of our mind. One is mindfulness and one is introspection. And through the application of introspection, we will be able to develop a sort of vigilance that then enables us to see whether our mind in that state of being is under the influence of excitement, or is it distracted, or is it focused, or is it lapsing into a form of sinking. So it is the application of mental introspection that allows us to be vigilant. And once you have observed whatever the state of being is, and then it is mindfulness that allows us to retain our mind fused and focused on that object of meditation. So in a sense, one could say that practice of meditation, the essence of the practice of meditation is the practice of maintaining a sustained mindfulness. Therefore, one can say that practice of mindfulness is the essence of practice of meditation.
And 검강인의 균승이야디 시부진내 좀 저기야리 아니 검제 남산직 배선을 섭주돼야디 미시브리 균승고야리.
So whatever forms of meditation that you may adopt, what is very important is to apply this continuously and maintain a sustained effort. It is unrealistic to expect something from a meditation practice within a simply short period of time. what is required is a continuous and sustained effort.
지당 assembly야 두어태하게 누버디 제공의 체르샤.
Generally, of the two types of meditation, the single-pointedness and analytic meditation, I would say that it is the latter, the analytic meditation, that seems to have a greater effect in bringing about transformation of heart and mind.
다고 탄예의 자마자레마도셰 즉 비즈니스맨이네 그거 비즈니스 나올배 시부직 자금 지겨워 고 애널라이즈 지겨워 즉 시부직 답게 인베스티게이트 지겨워 되디 다른 된다가 다시 레리 카드 가나리네 아고라 시부직 자바 지겨워 상다데 애널리틱 메디테이션 이메다.
So regardless of whether the term is actually used or not, in fact we find the application of what we call analytic meditation in almost every profession. Say for example for a business person, the person, in order to engage successfully in his profession, has to be very critical, examine pros and cons and so on and so forth. And so in almost every profession, whether or not we are conscious that this is analytic, we are always applying this analytic faculty.
식시진한테 로종랑당 측이 측시인 거대 안다. 다안에 심장 탐자라서 다 사실도 당연히 딩아도 상무 당구야.
So right at the beginning of these 8 verses on training the mind, in the Tibetan version, the first word is I, may I, the word dag. So for a Buddhist, it is very important to then question what exactly do we mean by this dag, this self or I.
다 야갈이야 아니 그게 가소래 따와 두더 몽고지 주변 나라네 나와 몽고 다 낭배 체주디 낭배 체버디 체버디 아니 풍불의 대신배 다 요마리스.
So one thing that really distinguishes or sets the Buddhist teachings apart from the other classical Indian religious traditions is that the teachings of the Buddha reject any notion of an eternal soul that is independent of our physical and mental reality.
풍불의 대신배 다 캐버시아 인도산에 아니 다 지부 요메바 어디 시기야래 지부 요메바 라와와 들이 시기도와 저단 데니 요마리스 풍불 다 세야데 풍불의 때네 연구레스 다이네 풍불의 때네야 다 샤유르선이야 낭배 나라를 맨다고 싶이 되는 거야래.
So Buddhist schools on the whole reject the notion of there being an eternal soul or self or Atman as the Indian traditions call it, that is somehow independent of our mind, physical and mental aggregates, and somehow that is unitary and something that is unchanging and permanent. And Buddhists on the whole accept that the nature of self or the person has to be understood in terms of the existence of the physical and mental reality of a person. Self or the person can only be understood in dependence upon the psychophysical constituents that together constitute our existence. So, and if we then examine the nature of our psychophysical aggregates, the mind-body aggregates, we find that they are constantly changing. They are constantly changing. Therefore, the self cannot be unchanging. And they are transient. Therefore, the self cannot be permanent. They are diverse and multiple. Therefore, the self there cannot be a unitary kind of an eternal self. So it's on these grounds Buddhist teachings on the whole reject the notion of some kind of eternal sort of unchanging soul.
다 풍부 다당 안 주변에 지 락베 풍부 락베 수풍도 제대로 번 풍부 더불어 다 되베이나 다 락베 풍부디 아주 시위님들이 엔 도주고 알아 봐 제장가 아니 된데 다디 소소디 넘버 10이 귤 때는 딱 봐래 있어요.
And although all the Buddhist schools maintain that self